There are numerous ways to earn money online, and the opportunities continue to expand as the digital world evolves. Here are several methods you can explore to earn money online. Freelancing. Utilize your skills and expertise to offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Common freelance jobs include writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and virtual assistants. Online tutoring or teaching. If you possess knowledge in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services through platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or Teachable. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast around a topic you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys or complete microtasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Swagbucks, or Clickworker. While the earnings may be relatively small, these tasks can be done in your spare time. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms using unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Online marketplace. Sell products or crafts on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. You can also consider drop shipping, where you partner with suppliers to sell their products without holding inventory. Stock market and trading. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments. This method requires research, knowledge, and an understanding of market trends. Online gaming and esports. If you have gaming skills, you can participate in esports tournaments, stream your gameplay on platforms like Twitch, and earn money through sponsorships, donations, or ad revenue. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a specific field, offer coaching or consulting services via video calls or webinars. Platforms like Clarity.fm or Coach.me can help you connect with clients. App or website development. If you have programming skills, you can develop apps, websites, or plugins and sell them on platforms like Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or WordPress. Remember that earning money online requires effort, dedication, and perseverance. It's important to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. Be cautious of potential scams and do thorough research before committing to any online opportunity.